In this video, you'll learn how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT-4 with Notion. This process will enable you to integrate advanced AI capability and creativity. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Google Chrome is recommended for optimal performance. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Notion website by typing in the URL and pressing enter. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a slow connection may affect loading. After the Notion page loads, log into your account if prompted. Once you are signed in, locate your profile icon, typically found in the bottom left corner of the interface. Click on your profile to access account options. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to open the Settings panel. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your Notion experience, including integrations. Proceed to click on the Connections tab within the Settings panel. This area displays all available integrations and connections. It is essential to check your current connections to ensure you can add new ones without. Once in the connection section, look for the option labeled Notion MCP. Clicking on this will allow you to manage your connection to ChatGPT. Confirm that you are ready to proceed, as this step is crucial for the integration. After selecting Notion MCP, find and click on the ChatGPT option. This action prepares the system to establish a connection between Notion and ChatGPT. Ensure your internet speed is sufficient for a smooth connection process. Next, click on the Connect button to initiate the linking of the two platforms. A confirmation message should appear indicating that the connection is being established. Be patient, as this may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Following this, switch to the ChatGPT interface by clicking on the General tab. This action allows you to manage settings specific to the ChatGPT application. Make sure to follow any prompts that may appear during this step. Return to the Notion interface by going back to the application window. Once there, click on the Connect button again to finalize the integration process. This step may prompt Notion to redirect you back to ChatGPT for confirmation. As you complete this action, Notion will prompt you back to ChatGPT, signaling that the integration is almost complete. Follow any additional instructions that may appear to ensure a successful connection.